In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Portrait Bokeh AI in Luminar Neo. First, let's get started by opening Luminar Neo. Once you have the software open, load your chosen portrait photo. This can be done by simply selecting your image from the File menu or dragging and dropping it into the workspace. Loading the right photo is crucial because the quality of the final result depends on the original image you select. Take a moment to choose a well-lit portrait for the best effects. With your portrait photo loaded, you'll want to head over to the Edit tab. You'll find this at the top of the interface. Clicking on it changes the workspace, giving you access to a wide range of editing tools. This is where the magic happens. Being in the Edit tab is essential because it provides you with all the tools you need to refine and enhance your image. Now, let's scroll down until you reach the Portrait or Portrait AI section. This section is specifically designed for portrait enhancements, making your subject stand out beautifully. It's important to locate this section because it contains the dedicated tools that are optimized for portrait photography. You'll notice a variety of options that can help you achieve that perfect look. Once you're in the correct section, click on Portrait Bokeh AI. This tool is specifically designed to create a beautiful soft blur in the background, mimicking the bokeh effect you often see in professional photography. Selecting this tool is key because it intelligently distinguishes between the subject and the background, allowing you to seamlessly blur the latter without affecting the former. Next up, you'll need to turn on the tool. You can do this by clicking on the toggle switch or button. Activating the tool is essential as it initiates the AI-driven process that will begin to analyze your image. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the adjustments you'll make next. Now that the tool is active, it's time to adjust the amount slider. This slider controls how much blur is applied to the background. Move it to the right to increase the blur or to the left to decrease it. Adjusting the slider gives you control over the intensity of the bokeh effect, allowing you to customize the look to suit your creative vision. Remember, a little adjustment can go a long way, so take your time to find the perfect balance. As you adjust the slider, you'll notice the background of your portrait starting to blur. This is exactly what you want to achieve, a beautifully focused subject with a soft, dreamy background. This tool not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your photos, but also helps to draw attention to the subject, making it the focal point of the image. Once you're satisfied with the amount of blur, you can move on to other adjustments or save your work. Saving your changes ensures that all your hard work is preserved and ready to be shared or further edited. And there you have it. You've successfully used Portrait Bokeh AI in Luminar Neo to elevate your portrait photography. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings and images. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.